Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to combine photos in CapCut. So first, just import photos that you want to CapCut. You can import as many as you want. In this case, I'm using 2 photos, and after that, just click on one of the photo and make it as overlay like this. Now to combine it, you can use the cutout feature and the remove background feature. So just remove the background of the overlay photo and adjust the size like this. Now click on the main photo and do the same, remove its background. Okay, so now the background also has been removed like this, and you can adjust the size and put it like this, or put it anywhere or any position you want. Okay, so that's how you can combine photos in CapCut. I hope this tutorial will be helpful. Don't forget to click thanks, like this video, comment, and subscribe. Bye.